In this lecture, I am going to discuss about how you can download Ubuntu operating system. The same operating system we are going to use for our Linux practice purpose. So it is very important that you should know how to download it, and then we are going to see how you can install this Ubuntu on your system so that you can do your practice and you can just follow me. Okay, first of all, open the browser and just search over here with download Ubuntu 20.04. The currently version which I'm using of Ubuntu, that is 20.04. Then you can see this is the first link. You just need to click on that. Here you can see there is a 20.0.4 LTS version is available. You just need to click on the download. Sometime I realized like it will not start downloading from here automatically, and you will end up with this kind of error message. If you get such kind of error message, go back, and there is one more button is there which you can use, like click on download, and here download now, click on that. It will start downloading. So the size of your Ubuntu is 2.9 GB, and it will start downloading based on your internet connectivity. It will take some time. Okay, so let it get completed and then I'll show you how you can install this. Just keep this ISO file somewhere in the safe location, not in the D drive, because normally not in C drive actually, because C drive we will go for the formatting purpose. So keep it in D drive or anywhere. Okay, thank you.